Hello, this is Miss Julie, and today we are going to play with animal riddles. Son adivinanzas de animalitos. Ustedes van a ver pistas que les voy a ir leyendo y tienen que adivinar qué animal es el que se está describiendo. ¿Empezamos? Number 1. I am big, fat and gray. I have got 4 legs. I live in Africa. I can swim, but I can't fly. What animal am I? I'm a hippo. Very good. Did you guess? ¿Pudieron adivinar? Let's see with number 2. I'm long and thin. I haven't got legs or arms. I live in forests and mountains. I can't walk or fly, but I can crawl. What animal am I? I'm a snake. Very good. Excellent. Let's go to number 3 now. I'm funny and brown. I have got a long tail. I live in the jungle. I can jump and climb trees, but I can't talk. What animal am I? It's a monkey. Very good. Excellent. And now, let's go to the last one. I am green and small. I like eating insects. I live in gardens and forests. I can jump and swim, but I can't walk. What animal am I? I'm a frog. Excellent. Great work. Bueno, espero que les hayan gustado estos videitos, estas adivinanzas, y nos estamos viendo. Stay at home.